students, welcome back. Hope you understood thoroughly all the topics of indices and logarithm part 1. Today, in continuation with the same chapter, I'll explain the next topic, which is logarithm. As this is new topic for you, so students, watch this video twice or thrice to understand the concept completely. So, what we are waiting for? Come on, let's start. Logarithm. This topic is new for you, so everyone to please listen carefully. Basically, logarithm is used for very lengthy calculation. For example, if I have to calculate square root of 1, 2, 3, 7, then it is very difficult for us how to calculate the square root of this. So to understand many more examples like this, to solve questions like this, we'll be using the topic logarithms. So before starting these types of calculations, let us understand the basic concepts of logarithm and what are the rules for this to do our questions. For example, we know that cube of 2 is 8. This is we generally write when we are writing in the exponential form. For this number, we write in exponential form in this way. That means whatever the number we have here, base. Here 2 is base. So when we are writing in the form of logarithm, we write log base 2. That means whatever the number is base, that comes in base here, and 8 what is the equal that comes along the 8 and equals to 3. In this way, we convert the exponential form into logarithmic form, and we read it as log of 8 to the base 2 is equals to 3. In this way, we read this logarithmic form. So, the basic concept is if any number is given like this, that is a power n equals to b, which is known as the exponential form, and when this exponential form is written in logarithmic form, then we write it as log of b to the base a equals to n. So this is known as the logarithmic form. Now, here are some rules that we need to keep in mind while solving our questions. In exponential form, we know that a to the power 0 is always 1. So when we convert this into logarithm, that is log of 1 to the base a, then it is equals to 0. So wherever we supposed to calculate the log of 1, then its value will be equals to 0. Similarly, we know that any number to the power 1 is equals to 8. So it's when we convert it into logarithmic form, it is written as log a to the base a equals to 1. It means when I am writing, for example, in place of a, if I am writing 3, so log of 3 to the base 3, its value is 1. Here the number and the base are same, so its value is equals to 1. Next point, we know that if x equals to an and y equals to an, this implies that x is equals to y. The same rule is applicable to logarithmic also. So if I convert this exponential form into logarithmic form, this can be written as log of x to the base a equals to n, and this is converted as log of y to the base a equals to n. So as the RHS is equal, then their LHS will also be equal, and this is also gives us that x is equals to y. So whatever the rule is applicable for exponential form, that is true for logarithmic form also. Similarly, next point, logarithmic to the base 10, we call it as common logarithms. And if no base is given, the base is always taken as 10. For example, if given as log 2, this means this is equals to log 2 to the base 10. It means if no base is given, in that case it is considered that the base of this number is 10. Based on this topic, first question is convert the following to logarithmic form. Means we are given in the exponential form and we are going to convert it in logarithmic form. First part is given as log to the power 4 is equals to 10,000. Now how we'll write it in the form of logarithms? Here the base, whatever is the base, that comes here in base. So and 10,000 comes here, and whatever the power is, which that moves to fourth. So we read it as log of 10,000 to the base 10 equals to 4. Second example, 3 power minus 5 equals to x. In logarithmic form, this can be written as log of x to the base 3 equals to minus 5. Second example is convert the following to exponential form. Now in logarithmic form, question is given and we have to convert it into exponential form. So log of 81 to the base 3 is equals to 4 can be written as 3 power 4 equals to 81. Whatever is the base here in logarithm, that comes here 3. Right hand side becomes the power and 81 moves to right hand side. Second example, log of 32 to the base 8 equals to 5 by 3. In exponential form, this can be written as 8 to the power 5 by 3 equals to 32. Now let us do some more example based on this topic. Next example is find the value of x in each of the following. My question is log of x to the base 4 equals to 2.5. Here we are supposed to find out the value of x. Now whenever the question is given in logarithmic form, first of all our target should be to convert that into exponential form. So when I convert this logarithmic form to exponential form, this will be written as x equals to 4 power 2.5. Now 2.5 can be written as 5 by 2. Now here 2 and 5 by 2 are in multiplication according to the laws of exponents. So this can be written as 2 into 5 by 2. Here 2 gets cancelled. So we are left with x equals to the power 5 and that is equals to 32, which is our answer. Second example, log of x to the base under root 3 equals to 4. Here also first we convert this logarithmic form in exponential form, which can be written as x equals to under root 3 to the power 4. Here under root 3 will be written as 1 by 2 upon 4. Here again 1 by 2 and 4 are in multiplication. So when we multiply them, they get cancelled. So here 2 and 4 gets cancelled and we are left with 3 square, and the square of 3 we know that 9, which is the value of x for this question. Log of x square minus 4 to the base 2 equals to 5. The same way as we have done earlier, first we convert this logarithmic form into exponential form. So it will be written as x square minus 4 equals to 2 to the power 5. Now we got a simple quadratic equation here and we'll solve this quadratic equation for the value of x. That is 2 to the power 5 can be written as 32. So this becomes x square is equals to 36, and taking square root on both the sides we get the value of x as plus minus 6. Hope students you like this concept and you completely understood whatever I have explained. So we'll be meet soon again with the new topic of the same chapter. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay healthy.